Galatians chapter 4, verse 18 says, "It is always a fine thing, of course, to be zealous, sought after as you are, provided that it is for a good purpose and done for reason of purity of heart, not just when I am present with you." So Paul's telling them real quick, again, we're talking about being formed in Christ a little bit. He's making the comment that it's good to be zealous while I'm present. "But my little children, for whom I am again suffering birth pains until Christ is completely and permanently formed, molded within you." Now, Paul again said this is what we call the great mystery of the gospel. Christ in us, the hope of glory. But what do we have to do? We have to work to be formed. Christ be formed in you. What did Paul say? I labor again. In fact, Amplified says, I labor again until he is completely and permanently formed or molded within you. Why? So nobody can talk you out of it.